This isn't my smartphone. This is my smartphone. My name is Xavier. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let's deep dive into the new TRIPLTEK Mini. So normally, this is the solution that I recommend for flying drones. This is the TRIPLTEK 9 Pro. Wonderful tablet, ultra bright, 1200 nits, so you can see in direct sunlight and fly your drone with this huge big screen. But for a lot of people, not so much comfortably. People have often complained that they love the big screen, but this tablet is just big and heavy. Yes, it's got a monstrous battery inside, which makes it last forever. You literally don't have to charge it in weeks, but that comes with a trade-off, and that's the weight and the size. But the advantage of this tablet is that you can fly all the different brands of drones that you own. Fast forward to today, late 2023, it's October, and now we have the TRIPLTEK Mini. This is not just a mini tablet. This has some features that even this TRIPLTEK 9 Pro doesn't have. On the power button is a built-in fingerprint reader. Kind of like a phone, right? Guess what? It's got a front-facing selfie camera. Kind of like your phone, right? Hey, it's running Android 12. It has a 5,000 milliampere battery. And I took out my T-Mobile SIM card, popped it right in, and guess what this became? A phone. Now, this was always a phone, this TRIPLTEK 9 Pro. This is a phone too. But not many people want to walk around and put this to their ears. Kind of looks awkward and confusing. And it's not quite portable, so you can't push it in your pocket. But with this, you can. You can stick it in your pocket just like your phone. And I need to stop saying that because this is a phone. That's exactly what it is. But what makes this special or different from your phone? My phone gets pretty bright, up to about 1,000 nits bright. This one, 1,300 nits. But there's a difference. This is 1,300 nits sustained brightness. What does that mean? It means when you take it out in outdoor light, they both look very bright, except when I plug it into my controller to fly my drone. It doesn't matter what brand of drone I fly, from the time it gets connected at the bottom there, my brightness just goes away. And that's because these phones are programmed to prioritize performance over brightness. And that's where the TRIPLTEK Mini really differs. Because when you plug your controller for your drone into this phone/tablet, it does not dim when you put it in bright sunlight, because it's been configured to connect to your drone app so you can fly your drone and sustain up to 1,300 nits of brightness till it's about to die. And that pretty much means you can fly all your drones. But here's the question. Can it replace your phone? Well, yes and no. This TRIPLTEK Mini has 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of internal storage, and it has a slot for you to add your own external storage if you want more, up to 1 terabyte. It's also running a octa-core processor and a 3D GPU. So it's powerful, it's snappy, it's smooth, just like any modern day smartphone. Is it priced like a modern day smartphone? Well, kind of. It's $595, which is considerably more affordable compared to the TRIPLTEK 9 Pro if you want to use this as a tablet. You even have access to the developer options, so you can tweak this. So there is no holding back on this. There is no, I can't download Facebook, I can't download Instagram. None of that exists. You can connect this directly to your drone, shoot your videos and your photos, get it right there because it's connected to the drone, and instantly share on any apps that you want. All you have to do is pop a SIM card in here or connect it to Wi-Fi. On top of that, it's also got Face ID. So if you don't want to use your fingerprint, you can just tap it. And when you want to unlock, just look at it and unlock the Face ID as well. So it has some really cool features in here. Last but not least, and definitely worth mentioning, when you purchase this phone/tablet, it also comes with an adapter that's USB-C to HDMI. And basically what that means is you can put that adapter in the bottom here to your USB-C port, connect it to any camera or any device with an HDMI output, and this becomes a monitor. So not only is it a phone, not only is it a tablet, not only does it sustain 1300 nits outdoors, but it's also an external monitor that you can use to attach to your camera. So is it all sunshine and rainbows? No, nothing in this world is perfect, and this little device here could sure use a little improvement. I popped my SIM card in this phone/tablet, and I've been using it for almost a week. And here are some of the weaknesses that I think you should be aware of if you do intend to get this as an all-in-one solution. Number one, even though it's nice that they did include haptic feedback on this device, it's just not smooth and it's not adjustable to my likeness. So I think the haptics is just a little bit too rough for my taste, and I like to nitpick at things, so I definitely thought this would be something worth mentioning. It is nice, however, that you could turn it off completely, and I did turn off the haptic feedback, and I prefer things that way. Number two, even though there's a selfie camera, the camera quality isn't that great. So if you're big into photos, like your Pixel cameras and your iPhone cameras, don't expect the front-facing camera to match up with it. It's just not that good, but it gets the job done. While we're on the topic of cameras, if you look at the back of this nice, sleek device, you will notice that there is absolutely no rear camera. That's the main thing that made me switch back to my phone. When I'm at work, I have to take photos of a lot of stuff that I'm doing, and having no camera on the back of this phone was a huge deal breaker for me for a daily all-in-one solution. I just wish that they had put a camera at the back. It didn't have to be the best of the best, because my job doesn't require the best of the best, but it does require me to take photos of things, and probably the main reason why I had to switch back to my regular phone. Another thing you should be aware of, which wasn't really a big deal for me, but might be for you, because I don't know how you are with your phones, but the screen to body ratio is not that huge. Yes, there's not much bezels at the side, but the bezels at the bottom and the bezel at the top is definitely noticeable. So if you do not like bezels, then this could be a huge problem for you. But for me, no. One last con that I should mention is that the speakers are not that great on the phone. So if you like listening to music and stuff like that,
it's just not happening. You need some waypoints in your life, you hear me?
it does have Bluetooth, however, so you can connect to your AirPods, pop those in, and you'll have great quality. Now with the cons out of the way, if you're looking for a good solution for flying your drones, and you have different brands of drones, or you have DJI drones that have compatibility issues because they work with different controllers, then I do believe this will be a great solution for you, because it doesn't matter what controller you use, what brand of drone you fly with, this will get the job done. So instead of spending $1,200 for a DJI RC Pro, which only runs on OcuSync 3, knowing they might be a DJI RC Pro 2, which might cost more than $1,200, or about the same price, which will be running on OcuSync 4, and the backwards and forwards compatibility is just not there, or having to worry about buying this, which is pretty affordable at $360, I will say. And this does run 04, but the problem is it just doesn't run the drones that run on O3. So you need this one for O4 drones like the Mini 4 Pro and the Air 3. And then you'll need the older version of this, which doesn't come with the external antennas, which runs the O3 system instead of the O4 for the older drones like the Mavic 3 Pro or the Mini 3 Pro or the Mini 2. And then you have stuff like this, which is the Parrot Disco, which is a plane that I fly, and your phone goes right in here and you can see while the plane is flying. I can hook up that TRIPLTEK Mini to any type of flying device out there, and I never have to worry. I hope this video brought you some value. Do me a favor, give me a huge thumbs up. Make sure you hit subscribe and make sure you hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos. Think about becoming my Patreon. That way you can reach out to me there. It comes straight to my phone as a text message, and I can help answer any questions that you need about this device or any other device or drone. Or check out my LUTs in the description or comment section below if you are looking for LUTs for your drone. All right, with that being said, guys, let me know what you guys think of the TRIPLTEK Mini in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys, well, whenever I can.